Mm-hmm.
So this is Molly's and Trav's litter traveling man. We kind of have little funny names for each of them, all except for one, because Eden wanted to name one of them and we haven't, and she hasn't come up with a name yet for it. But the big one that you see that's lighter, we call him Moose. The other big boy over here on the end, we call him Bruno. The tiny little small one right next to him is
Tiny Tina.
Tiny Tina, that's right. And then the other two are Marco and Polo. And
I'm going to.
yes. And this is our daughter, and she's holding this one pretty much like a baby. They're all just sleepy.